Hello, travelers. This is Arad with G1G, and today we're going to talk about the worldwide Trip Protector Plan. This comprehensive travel insurance plan offers a wide variety of benefits. The plan is great for any leisure traveler, whether you're traveling with your family or taking a cruise. Just make sure that your total trip costs for everyone that is on the same policy does not exceed $250,000. All right, so you're probably wondering about the cost for the Worldwide Trip Protector Plan. And we've got great news. This plan comes in at a pretty decent cost for a comprehensive travel protection plan. Part of the reason why is because many of the benefits that are available with this plan are optional. So it allows you to choose which benefits are of the highest priority when it comes to making sure that you stay within your travel insurance budget. The Worldwide Trip Protector Plan works like many of its competing plans in the travel protection market. Let's talk about eligibility. This plan is for U.S. residents between the ages of 1 and 99, traveling within the U.S. and internationally. And coverage can be purchased for up to 99 days. What it covers. We love this plan because it is highly customizable. You can add benefits like optional bed rests that will cover your hotel quarantines should you contract COVID-19 while traveling. And you also have the ability to purchase, cancel, or interrupt for any reason, making it the most flexible travel insurance plan on the market. You have your pre-departure benefits like the trip cancellation benefit or the optional cancel for any reason, which can be added to your plan. And those will come into play if you have to cancel your trip before your scheduled departure. Then you have your post-departure benefits like trip interruption for any reason, which is available uniquely to this plan, travel delay, misconnection, or itinerary change. We also love that the Worldwide Trip Protector Plan has at least 25 reasons for covered cancellations in most states. One of those reasons is a travel advisory or warning that is a level 4 or above, which is excellent given the uncertainty that can exist in modern travel. These benefits are designed to reimburse you if you have to interrupt your trip or experience delays and cancellations while you're traveling for reasons covered by your plan. Additionally, you have the medical expense benefit available, which covers you in the event that you experience an injury or an illness while traveling and need to seek care. The medical benefit ensures that you can be reimbursed for that medical care, but also can ensure your admittance to a hospital with what's known as a promise to pay. You have up to $250,000 towards trip costs for trip cancellation per policy. If you're interested in the cancel for any reason benefit for this plan, you can cover up to $100,000 in prepaid, non-refundable trip costs. The Worldwide Trip Protector Plus plan is great for any U.S. resident who is traveling domestically or abroad, so long as your vacation is at least 100 miles away from home. Additionally, you can get coverage for a trip that is up to 180 days long, and you can buy this plan as long as you have not yet departed. If you're experiencing an emergency while traveling, you have the 24-hour emergency assistance services available with the plan, and they'll be able to help you with any sort of hospital admittance like we talked about before, emergency evacuations for medical and non-medical reasons, as well as any repatriations should you become severely injured and need assistance in getting home. And that's not all. There are plenty of other optional benefits that you can buy with this plan, like coverage for your electronics. In most states, it only costs $4 extra to add it, and you get up to $2,000 in coverage. And for an extra layer of coverage on your phone, computer, and any electronics you bring with you, make sure you add baggage and personal effects electronic equipment benefit. One more reason why we absolutely adore this plan is that the non-medical emergency evacuation benefit covers you for up to $150,000 should you need an evacuation due to civil or political unrest, as well as natural disasters. While there isn't much that we don't love about this plan, there are two areas where we believe that there could be an improvement. Cancel for any reason benefit requires the traveler to initiate the cancellation, which means if a border closes Or if a travel supplier has to cancel the trip because of government regulations, you won't be eligible for the cancel for any reason benefit in your claim. Additionally, quarantine coverage is not built into the medical expenses benefit unless you are under the care of a doctor. That means that you have to rely on the travel delay benefit or purchasing an optional bed rest benefit. If your quarantine is considered not necessary for medical treatment and is completed in a hotel or Airbnb, if you're interested in purchasing the Worldwide Trip Protector plan, then we have a few expert tips for you. First up, make sure you purchase your plan within 21 days of your first trip payment. The reason is manyfold. If you do that, you're sure to get the pre-existing conditions exclusion waiver. It's a mouthful, but meaning coverage for pre-existing conditions will be there, and you'll not have to worry about being excluded from coverage. Additionally, we recommend covering the full cost of your trip so that you qualify for coverage for the pre-existing medical conditions as well. Then, if you're interested in cancel for any reason and trip interruption for any reason, you definitely want to purchase this within 21 days and cover the full trip cost. And that'll give you the most value of the plan and ensure that you can get the most flexible coverage on the market. We recommend that anyone traveling right now buy the optional bed rest benefit and have that added to your plan. If you're concerned with the hotel quarantines that might happen, should you test positive for COVID and any other diseases or illnesses while traveling, then you'll want to make sure you add the optional bed rest benefit to this plan, because this plan does not have substantial coverage for a hotel quarantine while traveling without it. How to use this plan? You can visit any licensed doctor or hospital with this plan. For Worldwide Trip Protector and any other trip insurance plans, direct billing is not guaranteed. Direct billing is when the hospital or treatment provider directly bills the insurance company. So depending on the provider you seek treatment for, you might receive a bill, and that means that you'll be asked to pay up front and then get reimbursed from the insurance company through the claims process. So all claims should be submitted in writing with all supporting documents and receipts attached. Good news though, G1G offers free claims advocacy with every plan, so we'll help you get the claims filed correctly. If your plan does have the cancel for any reason benefit, you'll need to meet the following conditions to use that benefit. You must have purchased that benefit within the time-sensitive period. The full cost of your non-refundable trip cost must be insured. Your trip must be canceled no later than 2 days prior to the scheduled departure of your trip. That this video is meant to serve as general educational information. Nothing here is medical advice. Always check the plan documents for specific benefit definitions, coverage amounts, exclusions, and limitations, and always enjoy the journey.